Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Have you ever imagined your dream vacation, a place where you can escape from the daily hustle and bustle? Close your eyes and picture it. A destination where you can unwind, explore, and experience something new. A place that is not just a location, but a feeling, a state of mind. This is the magic of a dream vacation. Now let's delve into the various types of vacations that people might dream of. For some, paradise might be a secluded, tropical beach. Picture a stretch of pristine white sand, the gentle whisper of the waves, the taste of a ripe, juicy pineapple. Here you can bask in the warm sunlight, swim in the cool, azure waters, or simply laze in a hammock, swaying gently to the rhythm of the island breeze. Others may dream of a bustling city, alive with electricity and energy, the honk of taxis, the chatter of people, the vibrant colors of billboards and skyscrapers. This is a place where you can lose yourself in a sea of faces, try exotic foods from street vendors, or explore the awe-inspiring architecture that stretches towards the sky. And then there are those who find solace in the peaceful countryside. Imagine rolling green hills, a patchwork quilt of farmland, the sound of a distant cow mooing. In this tranquil setting, you can take leisurely walks, smell the sweet scent of freshly cut hay, or gaze at the stars in the clear night sky. Why do we dream of these places? Maybe it's the allure of the unknown, the thrill of adventure, or the desire to experience something new. Maybe it's the need to break away from our routine, to recharge, or simply to savor life's simple pleasures. A dream vacation is not just about the destination, but also the experiences that we hope to have, the memories we wish to create, and the stories we yearn to tell. It's about stepping out of our comfort zones, pushing our boundaries, and discovering more about ourselves. So, come along as we embark on a journey to a dream vacation. Are you ready? Imagine a place where the sun always shines bright, the beaches are golden, and the ocean, as blue as the sky. It's a tropical paradise. This dreamy destination is a perfect blend of natural beauty and adventure. It's a place where you can feel the warm sand beneath your feet and the gentle ocean waves that kiss the shore. Feast your eyes on the golden beaches, stretching as far as your eyes can see. The sand, warm and inviting, is a perfect contrast to the clear, cool water of the ocean. This is a place where you can build sandcastles, play beach volleyball, or simply relax and soak up the sun. Now let your mind wander to the ocean. It's a stunning shade of blue, so clear that you can see the colorful fish swimming below the surface. The ocean is not just for admiring from afar. It invites you to dive in, to swim with the fish, to surf the waves, or to take a leisurely boat ride. And then, there's the sun. The sun in this tropical paradise is always shining bright. It's not the harsh, scorching sun that you might be thinking of, but a gentle, warm sun that bathes everything in a golden glow. Imagine lying on the beach, feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin, and watching the sky change colors as the sun sets. But this tropical paradise is not just about the beaches and the ocean. It's also about the lush greenery that surrounds it. Imagine taking a walk through the dense green forest, listening to the chirping of the birds and the rustling of the leaves. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature and find peace and tranquility. This tropical paradise is the perfect place for relaxation and adventure. It's a place where you can let go of your worries, where you can experience new things, and where you can make memories that will last a lifetime. But what will you do there? In this tropical paradise, there's no shortage of exciting activities to engage in. The very thought of them fills one with a sense of thrill, anticipation, and joy. Imagine the warm, crystal-clear water lapping at your feet. The first activity that comes to mind is a refreshing dip in the azure sea, swimming in the tropical waters, feeling the warm sun on your skin, and the gentle, salty breeze in your hair is an experience that's hard to beat. The ocean becomes a playground, the waves your playmates. But the fun doesn't stop at the water's edge. Beneath the shimmering surface, a whole new world awaits, ready to be explored. Snorkeling is a fantastic way to discover the vibrant underwater universe. The sight of colorful corals, playful fishes, and the occasional sea turtle is sure to leave you spellbound. It's like being in a live natural aquarium where you're not just a spectator but a participant. Once you've had your fill of the ocean's wonders, it's time to dry off and enjoy the local cuisine. The tropical paradise offers a feast for the senses. The aroma of exotic spices, the sight of fresh, colorful ingredients, and the taste of unique flavors all contribute to an unforgettable dining experience. From sweet, juicy fruits to savory, spicy dishes, Every meal is an adventure in itself. Trying out local dishes is not just about satisfying your hunger, it's about immersing yourself in the culture. Each dish tells a story, carries a tradition. As you savor each bite, you're not just eating, you're understanding, appreciating, and becoming a part of the place you're visiting. To top it all, there's the joy of learning something new, be it a local dance, a craft, or a language. You're not just a tourist, but a lifelong learner, an explorer, a participant in the grand spectacle of life. So, after a day full of adventure, what could be better than witnessing a beautiful sunset? As the sun sets, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, you sit by the beach, enjoying the peaceful silence. The tropical paradise has yet another spectacle to offer. The sun starts to descend, kissing the horizon, making way for the moon. It's like a daily ritual, a grand finale to the day's show. The sky, a canvas, displays a blend of colors, shades of orange, pink, and purple. It's a sight to behold, a spectacle that leaves you in awe. The beach, once abuzz with activities, slowly starts to quiet down. The golden sand now cools under your feet. The once busy waves now gently lap against the shore. The bustling beach morphs into a tranquil haven, a perfect setting for introspection and peace. As the last rays of the sun fade into the horizon, the beach is bathed in a soft, warm glow. It's a magical moment, a time when the world seems to pause, and all that matters is the rhythmic sound of the waves and the gentle breeze whispering through the palms. You sit there with your thoughts, your dreams, the day's activities, the swimming, the sightseeing, the taste of local cuisine, all seem like a beautiful blur, a memory to be cherished forever. As darkness gently blankets the paradise, the stars start to twinkle in the clear sky. They seem to be telling stories of their own, a cosmic tale of the universe. You lie back on the sand, gazing at the stars, lost in their enchanting beauty. The cool sand, the starlit sky, the rhythmic waves. It's a symphony of nature, a melody of peace. It's a moment of pure bliss, a moment of serenity. As you walk back to your resort, under the starlit sky, you feel a sense of fulfillment, a sense of contentment, the perfect end to a perfect day. And as the day ends, you realize this is not just a vacation. It's a dream come true.
Let's learn new words and practice English with the topic, my dream vacation at a 1 level. Explore. Explore, to travel through an unknown area to learn about it. Example, on my dream vacation, I would love to explore the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu. Destination. Destination, the place to which someone is going or being sent. Example, my dream vacation destination is Japan because I love the culture and scenery. Adventure. Adventure, an unusual and exciting experience or activity. Example, going on a safari would be an adventure I'd never forget. Itinerary. Itinerary, a planned route or journey. Example, I'm creating an itinerary for our trip to make sure we see all the best sights. Relaxation. Relaxation, the state of being free from tension and anxiety. Example, my dream vacation includes plenty of time for relaxation on a sunny beach. Thank you for watching. Like, write a comment of more than 4 words to support us, and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos. Goodbye.